Tanima Pia, the proprietress of Mepp Academy. We were really handicapped. We had the ICT lab, which was just a room with few machines broken up. So it was very difficult for us. My ICT teacher has been complaining. So learning was very difficult, frankly speaking, because we are in the era of computer, and children were complaining. And I think at the end we had about 2 or 3 computers which were working. And you can imagine at the population of the school, I didn't have much money to buy computers at that time. But when the offer was made to me, and the day they came to install the computers, for me it was a dream coming true. I mean, my prayer was answered. And I can see the children, the love and the zeal of learning come back. And everybody will say, oh, our school, we are bouncing back. So for me, I can't say much about the TECHAiDE. What I can say that it was a divine intervention for us, for our school. And I always give glory to God that they came at a time when really we were in difficulties. Bravo to TECHAiDE. They didn't take anything from me, even when we want to say so how much. They say they are there to make the children learn, and I'm proud of them.